Have you ever wondered if your daily choices truly shape your future happiness? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we uncover pure Theravada teachings from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to your modern life. Last time, we completed the mental development group with right mindfulness and right concentration, the factors that cultivate clear awareness and unified mind on the Noble Eightfold Path. Tonight, we turn to a foundational teaching in Theravada, Kamma, the law of intentional action, and its results, which the Buddha explained with perfect clarity. The Blessed One taught that Kamma is not fate or predestination, but volitional action through body, speech, and mind. Kamma literally means action, but the Buddha emphasized that it is intention that makes action kammically significant. As he stated, intention, I tell you, is Kamma. Having intended, 1, acts by body, speech, and mind. There are wholesome Kamma leading to pleasant results, unwholesome Kamma leading to painful results, and neutral Kamma. Wholesome Kamma arises from non-greed, non-hatred, and non-delusion. Generosity, kindness, and wisdom. Unwholesome Kamma arises from greed, hatred, and delusion. Harming, stealing, lying, and ignorant actions. The Buddha illustrated Kamma with examples from daily life, showing that results can ripen in this life, the next life, or subsequent lives. Kamma is not punishment or reward from an external judge, but the natural fruition of intentional actions. The Blessed One rejected views of determinism or chance, teaching that while past Kamma influences conditions, present choices shape future results. This understanding empowers us to take responsibility for our actions without fatalism. In the Cūḻakammavibhaṅga Sutta of Majjhima Nikaya 135, the Buddha explained how different actions lead to different rebirths and experiences. Yet he emphasized that Kamma is complex, with results modified by other factors, and the path can override unwholesome Kamma. Kamma is one of the 4 inconceivables. Its precise working is beyond ordinary understanding, but its general principle is clear. The Buddha taught Kamma to inspire ethical living, not speculation or fear. For us in the modern world, Kamma appears in how intentional choices at work or in relationships create patterns of ease or stress. A harsh word spoken in anger plants seeds of conflict. A kind action plants seeds of harmony. Understanding Kamma reduces regret by encouraging mindful choices in the present. This teaching offers freedom. We are not bound irrevocably by past mistakes, but can create new wholesome Kamma now. The Buddha's insight into Kamma shows that our future is shaped by present intentions, not fixed destiny. In moments of impulse, pausing to ask what intention is, this can change the course of action. Cultivating wholesome intentions daily builds a life of greater peace and positive results. Kamma encourages ethical responsibility without guilt, focusing on present opportunities for good. The Blessed One's clear explanation inspires us to act with wisdom in every situation. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will explore Kamma in greater depth, including its relationship with rebirth in Theravada teaching. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Cūḻakammavibhaṅga Sutta, Majjhima Nikaya, 135 at Sutta Central or access to Insight free public domain. Resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace, as the teaching of Kamma reminds us that intentional actions are the seeds of our future happiness. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more. Pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding. The teaching of Kamma is timeless, showing that we are creators of our own experience through intention. It encourages us to choose wholesome actions, cultivating positive results in daily life. Remember the Buddha's emphasis on intention as Kamma, applying it when making choices big or small. This truth highlights that responsibility brings freedom, fostering mindful living amid modern pressures. The insight into Kamma offers perspective on consequences, reducing impulsive reactions. Through the Pali Canon, these teachings remain accessible, supporting Western beginners in building ethical habits. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time, and remember, Kamma teaches that every intentional moment is an opportunity for peace. May you find inspiration in this teaching to cultivate wholesome intentions, leading to greater tranquility in your own life and relationships. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. The Buddha's insight into Kamma teaches us to act with awareness, shaping a brighter future. His emphasis on intention shows that the mind is the forerunner of all things. By reflecting on Kamma in daily actions, we reduce regret and increase joy. This truth encourages compassion for ourselves and others as fellow creators of experience. The legacy of Kamma invites us to choose wisely, paving the way for profound calm in our routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginners seeking clarity and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more peaceful and awakened existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore Kamma and rebirth in greater depth. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The teaching of Kamma is a beacon for those seeking responsibility without fatalism, offering clear guidance for intentional living. The insight into intentional action shows that change is always possible through present choices. This understanding can gently transform habits, bringing freedom from past patterns. The Buddha's clear declaration reminds us that Kamma is opportunity, not burden. Through honest practice, we can cultivate actions that support peace and growth. Kamma fosters humility and hope, helping us connect more deeply with the power of choice. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to support your journey toward genuine inner calm. Thank you for your time, and may the teaching of Kamma bring gentle wisdom and peace to your heart today. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony.